Oke, Ucus please. Siapa nih? Nur Raihani, Hana, Salih, Hairina, Zia, and then Siva Fauzia. Okay, Ucus please. A logical definition of idea.
Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The honorable person, my lecturer, Ma'am Rahima, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. Secondly, salawat and salam also delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has great yes from the darkness into the brightness. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about logical definition of ideas. Before we show our presentation, let me introduce our team. I'm Zia Fardatu Syakban as moderator. Ana Khairun Nisa, the first speaker, and the next speaker Nur Raihani, and Khairina Diani, the next speaker, and Shifa Fauzia, the next speaker, and Salih Fatur Razik, the next speaker. And now the next agenda is presentation session. For the first time, will be given by the first presenter. Please welcome Hana Khairun Nisa.
Mohon izin pakai kode Mika. Logical definition of ideas is a pattern of organization in which you divide a topic into point and discuss each point separately. The model paragraph uses this pattern. You can use logical definition to organize many kinds of topics, not just reason. Sample topic. Reason for following in iPhone call phone PDA small exercise for learning English. For aiming instead of making a phone call. For being vegetarian. Kinds of teachers: chopper, driver, friends, students, teachers, business thoughts. Type of books: movies, music, TV program I like or don't like. Advantage of life in small town or big city. College dormitory of being an only. The young, the oldest child, or a twin. Advantage of living a small town, big city, college dormitory of being and only or the young, the old child, old twin. Quality of a good boss or good employee, good friends, teachers, parents, paramedics, salesperson. Next. Next. Begin a logical division paragraph with a topic sentence fit similar to be following. A good boss has three qualities. Living a college dormitory has several advantages. There are four main styles of Chinese food. In the 14th sentence, discuss each point one after the other. Introduce each new point with a signal word or phrase, such as the first reason. The second type, the final advantage in addition, furthermore, also and moreover. The first reason, I'm a vegetarian, is the vegetarians are healthier than methods. Another quality of a good boss is fairness. In addition, sharing clothing with twin save money. Support each point convincing details such as an example or a static. For example, they want to touch and feel fabric and visualize themselves in clothes. She buys things that she doesn't really need, such as jewelry and designer sunglasses. In 2005, there were 13 major hurricanes in the North Atlantic. A big match coin (560 calories and 13 grams of fat. Selanjutnya saya kembali.
Well, next the presenter is next turn.
An illogical division paragraph with a concluding sentence similar to one of these. For all discretion, living at home is the best choice for me at this time in my life. To sum up, a champion has to be motivated, disciplined, and talented, in brief and effective, and grab your attention and efforts to your emotion. Look through the paragraph that are used as example and practice in this chapter. Find at least there list three paragraphs that are use logical division of ideas as a pattern of organization. Hind, look for signal words and practice that show division of a topic such as the first, not another, and an addition. Cause one of the same topics listed on page 7, I use listening, clustering, or reading to get ideas about the topic. Find at least 3 points and one example for each point, then make an outline. In addition to anity, which you learned about in chapter 4, every God paragraph must have coherent, coherent paragraph flows smoothly from beginning to end. A reader can follow your ideas easily because one sentence leads naturally to the one. There are no sudden jumps. There are three main ways to make your paragraph coherent. One, use nouns and pronouns consistently throughout a paragraph. Two, use transition signal to show relationship among ideas. Three, put your ideas into some kind of logical order, such a logical division of ideas. Next, and why to achieve coherence is to use nouns and pronouns consistently throughout a paragraph. That is, continue to use the same nouns and pronouns you start with. For example, if you begin with a plural noun such as student, don't change to singular. Also, don't change pronouns, don't switch from you, the, die, or he for no reason. Or be consistent. If you use the pronoun you at the beginning of your paragraph, keep it through. Notice how nouns and pronouns in the following paragraph have been changed to make them consistent. Saya serahkan kembali kepada moderator.
Okay, next turn is for the next speaker, Khairina Diani. The floor is yours.
Sentence structure. In chapter I, you learned about a sentence error called a fragment or incomplete sentence. In this chapter, you will learn about two sentence errors, runs, and comma spaces. Sentence structure. In chapter I, you learning about a sentence error called a fragment or incomplete sentence. In this chapter, you will learn about two sentence errors, run, ends, and commas places. Run, ons, and comma spaces are similar errors, but both run on happens when you join two simple connecting words. Men like to shop quickly, women like to browse. A comma place error happens first join the two sentence with a comma and a coordinating conjunction such as and but also. Men like to shop quickly, but women like to browse quickly. Women like to browse. Third, if you wish to show the relationship between the two sentences, add a sentence connector and comma to the second sentence mean like to shop quickly. However, women like to browse. Next, finding them is often the real challenge. Here are 3 tips to help you recognize run-ons and come-ups place. First, check all sentences that have a comma in the middle. My best subject is computer skills. My worst subject is English. What is the first subject is this sentence? What verb goes with it? Read further. Is there another subject with its own verb? If the answer is yes, look for a coordinating conjunction. If there is none, then this is a run-on sentence. My best subject is computer science. My worst subject is English, or my best subject is computer skills and my worst subject is English. Next. Selanjutnya saya kembalikan ke moderator.
Well, next one is for the next speaker. Syifa Fauzia, the floor is yours.
To read along sentence word. Sometimes reading aloud helps you to recognize where a new sentence should begin. Advertising is a multi-billion-dollar industry in the United States. More than 200 billion is spent on advertising and advertising-related activities each year. When you read the sentence aloud, do you pause between United States and more? More is the first word of a new sentence. Advertising is a multi-billion dollar industry in the United States. More than 200 billion is spent on advertising and advertising-related activities each year. Look for words like then, also, and therefore in the middle of a sentence. These words are danger words because they frequently occur in run-on sentence. We drove into the city, then we spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. We drove into the city, and then we spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. Okay. We drove into the city and spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. We drove into the city, then we spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. These are the important points covered in this chapter. 1. Logical division of ideas is a pattern of organizing ideas in which you divide a topic into parts and discuss each part parallel. 2. A paragraph needs coherence. A coherence paragraph is easy to read because it flows smoothly from beginning to end. Use these 3 techniques to achieve coherence. Use nouns and pronouns consistently. Use transition signals to show how one idea is related to the next. Put your ideas into some kind of logical order. 3. Run-ons and comma splice are sentence error in which you join 2 sentences incorrectly. These are the important points covered in this chapter. 1. Logical division of ideas is a pattern of organizing ideas in which you divide a topic into parts and discuss each part's pattern. 2. A paragraph needs coherence. A coherence paragraph is easy to read because it flows smoothly
from beginning to end. Use these three techniques to achieve coherence. Use noun and pronouns consistently. Use transition signals to show how one idea is related to the next. Put your ideas into some kind of logical order. 3 run-ons and comma splice are sentence error in which you join two sentences incorrectly. Saya kembalikan lagi ke moderator.
Next, thank you, Siva Fauzia. Next turn is for the next speaker, Salifatul Razik. The floor is yours.
Use translation signal to show relationship among ideas. Translation signals are words and phrases that connect the idea in one sentence with the idea in another sentence. They are expressions such as first, second, furthermore. On the other hand, for example, and in conclusion, translation signals are like traffic signal. They tell your read when to slow down, turn around, and stop. Using translation signal makes your paragraph smooth and help your readers understand it more easily. Example of translation signal. First, second, edge. First of all. Furthermore, also in attention, move moreover. A second reason kids advantage edge and attentional reason kids advantage edge. The final reason kids advantage edge. 3. Put your ideas into some kind of logical order, such as logical division of ideas. Conclusion. The topic sentence of a descriptive paragraph should name the topic. The controlling ideas should give the overall impression of the place you are describing. In the model paragraph, the topic is the host, the right left in a child. The controlling idea is that it had a stronger atmosphere. Each of the following sentence also states a topic and a controlling idea. Logical division of idea, a pattern of organization in which you divide a topic into point and discuss each point spirally. The model paragraph use this pattern. You can use logical division to organize many kinds of topics, not just reason.
Thank you for all of the presenters. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are come to the opinions, question, and answer session. Maybe question.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, jangan di itu share-nya, oke. This is the first, apa tuh topiknya, ideas, apa tuh?
Logical definition of ideas.
Apa? Question of
Logical.
ideas. Logical
Logical.
Definition of ideas, ya. Nur Rahma and Sali Hairina tadi sudah bagus ya cara bacanya, cuma ada yang masih belum bagus bacanya, readingnya, tolong diperbaiki. Oke, open slide 4. Slide 4. Oke. Nah, this is logical definition paragraph with concluding ya. The sentence similar. Nah, this is division the topic. The first-nya apa? The order-nya. Closest the online ya. This is logical definition with phrases ya. The slow definition of the topic. Choose one of the simple topics ya. Okay, next. Chapter slide ke 9. Slide ke 9. Next. Yes, okay, 9. Nah, this is finding them is often the challenge. Here are tips help you recognize the first apa, check all sentences and by best subject computer science ya, and then the first subject itu kata benda, and the one verbnya apa, kata kerjanya apa. If the answer is yes ya. Conjunction itu adalah kata penghubung. Conjunctionnya but, and, or, ya, so. Itu conjunction. Vina, anak yang pintar. Ya, Vina, anak yang pintar. Jisoo, anak yang bodoh, misalkan. Lazy, malas. Stupid. Nah, this is Anton, berarti menggunakan apa? But. Misalkan si E and si B. Si E anak yang rajin, intelligence. Is to the intelligence. And then Maria is lazy. Nah, itu but, maka menggunakan conjunction. And then my best subject computer science ya, by best subject computer. Next. 11. Okay. Yeah, okay. These are the important. These are important points covered the chapter. And the logical definition of idea pattern-nya adalah discuss each participatory. The paragraph, ya, needs, ya, beginning to end. Ya, use nouns and pronouns. Kata benda, kita gunakan kata bendanya, dan kata pronouns itu adalah kata pengganti. Kata penggantinya Anton berarti he. Nah, kata penggantinya Kristiani, misalkan perempuan, berarti she. Ya, misalkan Anton, Christian, dan Fedro. Nah, berarti mereka menggunakan pronouns-nya adalah, kata gantinya adalah they, mereka. Itu harus kita gunakan ya. Some kind of logical order. And then run-ons and common Species ya. Species ya. Bukan species are sentence error. Nah, sentence is incorrectly. Nah, kalimatnya harus di koreksi kembali. Oke, next. The slide yang ke berapa tuh tadi? Sempat saya lihat ke 14, coba. Terakhir deh kayaknya masalah 14. Nah, iya 14. Nah, this is first reason, ada alasan plastics. Nah, the second reason, alasan yang pertama, I don't hear, saya tidak, I don't have, saya tidak punya credit card. Ya, is that I would end up in the debt like any friend Sarah. Nah, saya tidak punya debit. Ya, bagaimana caranya? Anda mensiasati reasonnya ya. Oke. Sampai selanjutnya, the logical definition paragraph. Oke, itu saja ya. Kebetulan saya hari ini ada piket, jadi saya lupa bawa charger. iPhone saya ketinggalan, jadi tinggal berapa persen nih? 15, nanti ada ngajar lagi siangnya. Oke, mungkin closing itu saja. Silahkan closing presentation today chapter 5. Oke, back to the pemateri. Saya balik lagi ke materinya. Silahkan.
Yes, thanks, ma'am, for opinions. And ladies and gentlemen, finally, we are come to the last agenda. We would like to say thanks again for presenter and all of audience for activity participation. And thanks a lot all for my lecturer, Ma'am Ima.
Yes.
Hopefully the presentation will give benefit for you. Thank you for attention. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you more for presentation group 5 ya. Good job ya. And then you make YouTube, link YouTube and share in the group. Yes. Before sebelum penutupan, Anda harus membuat reviewnya. Tuh, tapi never mind. Oke, tidak apa-apa. Oke, thank you.